Lord! Woo! Nara! Kahilang mo to guys, ay?
Nice.
My love!
What? Oh.
Bumili mo na sa nanay ng tinapay, oh. Dalhin sa bukid. Ang saan, mas Katyusha, nagkabulit.
Tito Mine.
Oh,
Baby.
No,
Angie.
butang na diha. Butang. Dira, good.
Yeah. Nay.
Katyusha.
Nanay. Thank you, nanay. Salamat, nanay.
Sa linaw, bitaw ka ng meeting sheet siguro. Sa linaw. Nanata, sinupakan rin? Nupakan na rin? Oh, okay. I remember this one, my love. Look, the gas station and there is market. Yay! Nasa Inupakan na kami, guys. Yung hometown ko. Finally, thank you, Lord. Ipulan.
Let's go.
Bye! See you tomorrow!
Gusto na yung Jundil.
Bye!
My lubot big pain. My lubot big pain.
Pilipinas man yung
I'm okay. Hi, Bilay.
Ano, magawas ilang English.
The supermarket. My love, bring me Eddie here.
Pusa di pa, pusa.
Imi
Lapas na ta. Andito na kami guys sa Linaw. So, ibigay na natin yung mga pasalubong sa pamilya nila ni Sis Ice. Raday.
Here it is.
Hello!
Tita Boy!
Naguraan.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Ito ang Florami. Ay, oh, diara.
Dali, raman ito.
Ay, kuhaan kang Florami. Asa pa? Manara ka Florami? Moranis na. O, daraan ko rin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye! Pingara ka, Jo.
Bravo.
Aluloy, oh. Pamangkin ko yan, guys. Mga pinsan ni Katyusha. Idi.
Kapag na ang Katia.
My lord, this is that bridge where we were close to accident.
Da.
They put protection.
Da.
Really?
Yes.
Bravo, Mayor. When I come here first time, no cement all the road.
Uling, nalikit sa kapagulit na mo.
No cement. Truck.
Do like that. Where is your headband? No more pain? Welcome to Kabulisan! Yeah, Katyusha, welcome to the village of Mommy! Lucho!
What?
Masa may tawid na nino? Ito yung barangay namin guys, sobrang lamig. Uy, yung tabo dyan ang lamig. Katyusha! Woo!
What is that?
Yay! Dito na kami guys.
Hello.
Wow! Ay! Ano siya, Lokso? Hello! Hello! Yaya Tira! Amin, Yaya Tira, amin.
Please.
Oh! Where's Edinay?
Welcome.
Welcome to Kabulisan!
Welcome home.
Welcome home guys! After 8 years guys! Thank you Lord! Woo! Nara! Ah! Kahilang mo to guys ay? Hilag na bes! Hilag na!
Di ba gamaan nila san?
Finally God! Bago dyan mo ay! Asa bugdan? My love! Come here ba? Hi there!
What?
This is our house. Look, mommy! Look, read that.
Where's the paper time?
Ringra ka, Mommy, this is the house of mommy. It's okay?
No.
Okay, I'm very poor, huh?
Also, this is the house.
Ito yung bahay namin, guys. Dito sa Kabulisan. Thanks, God.
It was rain here, see? Oh, hello. How?
My love, look. My love.
Nice. Nice.
My love.
What? Oh,
Oh.
very nice, my love. Very nice. Let's take a photo
Let's
here.
take a photo, my love.
Very nice. Thank you for the surprise.
Daan.
I'm very touched.
Daan lagi ko.
I'm very touched.
Asa?
I'm very touched. I'm very touched. Thank you. Let's take a photo.
Dali. Ah, animals. Ang sap ni Jang. Dinosaur, day. Da, ugmar na kita.
Have a nice evening.
Uwi na siya, guys. Pinsan ko. Mana mong silingan, guys. Kapitbahay namin si Hilo, Yaya. Hilo. 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 Siya, Lucy. Yan. Hilo, ya. Oh, diba? Katyusha. Busy na si nanay, guys.
We succeed.
Yay! Thank you, Lord. Katyusha, no? Guys, ito yung bahay namin, guys. Welcome to our house. Ito yung...
Look at it.
Hello, gangis!
Oh my God.
What is that sound?
Ay, kanang earthworm.
What eh?
Oh.
What?
It's
What?
an insect?
Oh.
Snake, my love.
Di ay.
Hi, hi.
Eddie, you like?
No, you didn't papuj now, my love. Gata.
Finally home. Thank you, Lord.
Oh, say home.
Thank you, Nanay, for the surprise.
Thank you for the surprise. Thank you for the surprise.
Oscar. Katyusha. Kusina, hawak, my love. Ito lang yung simpleng kusina, guys. Dito kami nagluluto ng pagkain. Ayan, may kahoy. Pasensya na kayo kasi madilim. Madilim yung ilaw ni nanay. Napay thermos din yun. So, ayan guys, thank you so much for the support. May ilaw pala dito. Simple lang yung life namin dito sa Bukid. Thank you, Lord. Let's end this vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel na Facebook page.
Eddie.
The Petri Family. Bye!